Hello, hello. I got another Karambit unboxing or unpacking slash review for you. This just arrived, still sealed, no box or anything like that. I mean, this was the packing. I mean, it was in an envelope, another padded envelope, but yeah, this is it for the packing material there. So it's not exactly packed. I mean, the other two Karambits, inexpensive Karambits I looked at least they came with boxes and stuff like that. This one is $7.99. The other two were like $5.99 and $6. So this one's actually just a dollar or so more expensive, but less less well packed, I guess you call it. Wrapped in plastic, of course. It is F-Force CSGO stainless steel tactical knife with sheath and cord. 7 colors, neck knife for outdoor survival, camping, or self-defenses. $7.99 Amazon. Sharp, don't like its blade. 7.4 inch blade, or blade 7.4 inch. Blade length is 3.5 inch. Half inch thickness of the width, or 1.2 inch. 0.5 inch. Okay, here it is. Here has our string we have going here. Fairly, I can already see. It's all nicked up a little bit, or no, maybe not. It's just like the oil on it. Okay, this is what it looked like. But out of the sheath, it's not bad. It's not as good as some other ones. But here we have here, the ring isn't quite finished. It is fairly sharp. It looks like they tried to. I don't know if you can see that there. It's kind of slightly beveled there. And it looks like right about here it's slightly beveled, and right there too, but it's still very sharp. I mean, I could see it could possibly cut you. Handle, we have a little bit of excess plastic down here, but not too bad. And the seam, it's not bad. I mean, there's a little bit, very tiny bit of excess there. Here's the blade. As you can see, I got the blue one, but it actually doesn't look right. I see the blue there, and this is more of a purple. See the blue? That's what it's supposed to be. If you can see this blue color there, at least that's what it looks like on the Amazon listing. So this is like purple. I mean, I don't think it'll come off and make it blue, or will it? No, probably not. Oh yeah, okay, it is then. Whatever they have on it, kind of protective, like a wax. Apparently it's like colored or something. I mean, you really have to rub to get it off, but it is that blue underneath. For some reason it's like purple though, and it really, I mean, wow, you really have to rub to get it off. But yeah, there's that blue that's underneath whatever coating they put on there. A little too much protective coating, I guess. But it's not too bad. Made sharpness, yeah, it feels pretty good actually. It feels pretty sharp. Again, $7.99 Amazon Prime shipping. Now here's a cuts one, and this one is about $30. 25, 30. I'm not sure exactly. It's a big difference in the quality, of course, of it. First thing you'll notice is the sheath. This one is, fairly. I mean, I might be worried wearing this if you have words around your neck. Might be worried it would fall out. I mean, this one here, it's very hard to get out. It's not going to fall out. The blade is very nicely done. It's much sharper, actually. And here, this is actually glossed, and it's not very nicely beveled, not sharp at all. All the plastic, the handle, all of it is actually nicely finished. The handle is the same pretty much. Real quick comparison here. This one is Falcon, and it's $5.99 on Amazon, and it's actually slightly better made. Actually, it's a lot better made than this one for $7.99. I mean, this here is nice. It's they took the time to slightly bevel it, so there's no sharpness on here at all. But this one here, you can see machining marks and stuff like that on it. And then I'm really not happy about the coloring there. You have to rub all that purple off for some reason. And this one, all in all, is a much better deal for $5.99 than this one for $7.99. This one here is from Vulcan, and it is actually the worst one of all the ones that I've got recently. It's very sharp. They didn't even try to do anything about it there. I mean, there's all kinds of extra plastic, and it barely stays in the sheath. But that's it. It's not bad. $7.99, but I would get this one for $5.99. Honestly, it's finished better. I mean, for $5.99, you can get there is multiple colors. There's another, it's green, I think. Green and black are $5.99. They have some other colors that are a little more expensive. If you have to have blue, whatever, pay a little more. But don't buy this one. It's just not, I don't know, it's not worth the money. I mean, for $5.99, I'm impressed with this one here for sure, from Falcon. But this one is the F-Force one. And, I don't know, it's not bad, not great. I wouldn't be too happy with it, that's for sure. It's not finished very well at all compared to the one that's like $2 cheaper. For $2, you can get a very much nicer quality knife, finished more better, something like that. It's one of them days. All right, so that's it. F-Force CSGO stainless steel Karambit. Yeah, I wouldn't spend the $8 on it. I'd get this one for $6, honestly. Thanks.